Click on Maintenance. Click on Survey Maintenance. Click on Mobile Surveys. Click Add. Enter in the survey name. Select the start date from the drop-down. An end date is not required, although one can still be set. Select Mandatory if the survey is required. Click Update. Click on Maintain Items. Click on Add. Enter in the text of the first item. By default, Score is selected. Untick this. Select the required response. Click Update. To set a multiple choice question, click on Multi-Select. Enter in the maximum amount of options available to be selected. Select the tick box to make that option active. Enter in the first option. Repeat these steps to add up to 10 options. Click on Update. Once all items have been added, click Back. Click on Maintain Sites. All sites will be listed. Select the sites the survey is required for. Click on Add Sites. The sites will move to the Linked Sites list. Click Back. The survey will be available for completion from the start date.